pa pong kailangang abangan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yen. Miss Carmina.
Hello po, good evening everyone. Ako po si Carmina Villaruel. I play the role of Imelda. Sa napanood nyo naman po, ako po yung pinaka-sane. Ako po yung pinaka-normal. Ako yung pinaka-kalma, pinaka-normal, pinaka-chill na character dito. No, but kidding aside, ako po yung mommy ni Anna dito. So nakita nyo naman like mother, like daughter. Hanggang doon na lang muna yung sasabihin ko. Pero marami pang mga ganong eksena. At feeling ko, magugustuhan nyo si Imelda. Character talaga siya. Pero gusto talaga niya maging loyalty tester eh. Kung si Kira yung youngest, baka ako yung oldest. Pwede naman, dahil ang love, wala namang age yan, diba?
Correct!
Pwede naman natin isingit
Hindi ka
yun,
na
diba?
pwede.
May additional taping. May additional taping.
Naunahan ka na ng Tita Pilar Pilapil.
Ay, so
Doon sa
siya yung
pwesto.
oldest.
Oo.
Ako yung second na lang to the oldest. Loyalty. Ganun nga siya ka-crazy. Pero yun po, so thank you po for being here. Yun po yung character ko.
Thank you, Miss Carmina. Now from the mother to the daughter. Yan, kay Janine.
Yes, magandang gabi po. Ako po si Janine. And thank you ulit for watching. We hope na enjoy nyo. Ang first episode pa lang ng The Loyalty Game. Ako dito si Ana Madrigal. At yun nga, parang merong kababalaghang ginagawa ang asawa ko. So, ang naisip na lang niyang paraan ay paghanap ng loyalty tester para malaman kung ano ba talaga ang nangyayari. Pero ito pa lang talaga yung tip of the iceberg, kumbaga, sa lahat ng revelations sa The Loyalty Game at sa lahat ng storyline ng each character. So sana talaga abangan yung bawat episode.
Thank you, Janine. Of course. Palakpakan naman natin, Jericho Rosales.
Wow, okay lang kahit wag na. Ako po si Jericho Rosales, katabi ko po yung director namin, si May. Ang role ko dito si Ben Santos. Siguro naman napanood naman ninyo, 'di ba? Kung ano yung role. So again, once again I live a double life. At buong show namin, aalamin ni Janine kung sino yung bedka ko. Ako po, bedka. Kabet. Ako po ay AMS. May something dito sa show na to. So, well, basically, ang character ko ay representation ng mga surprises sa buhay ninyo. Ingat kayo kung ano yung mga kinakalkal ninyo.
Thank you, Echo.
Sorry, medyo
Ay, ito pala. Sorry, kala ko.
Tapos na
Go
po
ahead,
ako,
go ahead,
thank you.
go ahead. Alright, of course, Direct May.
Ako po si Direk May Cruz Alviar. Hango po sa tunay na buhay ko. Hindi, joke lang. Ako po si Imelda sa tunay na buhay na loyalty tester. Hindi po. Ako po yung director and ayun po.
Siguro Direct May, siguro, yun lang. Just a similar question to our directors kanina. Kumbaga, yung execution nito, no, especially Bacolod, Iloilo, a very different place. The cast really had to imbibe the culture nung doon po kayo sa Visayas area.
So the question is...
Well, how did you really execute it? Kumbaga?
Okay. Well, the world building of Valiente, kasi it's a fictitious place, it's a fictitious world. So we had to create yung Valiente. Hango rin ito dun sa sa culture sa South, but syempre meron kaming mga binago doon. And of course, we have seen a lot of shows or films na doon ginawa, pero we wanted to be a smaller version of it. So, yun yung doon, the task was how to create a new world, a different world that's based on realities. And that was quite challenging and exciting at the same time. And then, of course, the complex characters that lived in that world, na yung mga, they symbolize personalities. So, it was something that, it's a collaboration naman yung pagbuo nito, from the writing to also choosing the locations and also how the characters, how the cast executed their characters, yung kanilang pagkatao. So it's parang lahat na gano'n nag-come together to build this world and to execute this vision of Valiente.
Alright, so thank you. Of course, Direk Min, of course, isang malaking palakpakan muli para sa mga cast and members. Pero hindi pa po tayo tapos because, friends from the media, this is your night. There are no preceded questions, but we'll just encourage everyone, of course, to keep the conversations, of course, about the loyalty game and how it will unfold. Sino po ang magiging magbabuena manong first question? Friends from the media, please take the mic. Just raise your hand. Feel free, don't be shy. Sige po. Yes.
Curious lang, totoo
Sorry.
I'm Naz
My
Tavares
apologies. Please state your name and from what publication. My apologies. Thank you.
I'm Naz Tavares from Pilicolimina. Curious, yung loyalty testers, totoo po ba yun?
Yes, totoo yun. This is based on, totoo siya na phenomenon dito sa Pilipinas. Nung gano'n siya, according to our writers, sila yung nag-research nito. The writers and the creative team of Star Creatives were the ones who created this concept based on their research on loyalty testers na nasa social media, they're online. And ano to tumaas, or what's the right word for it? Laganap ito nung pandemic, I guess, because people need an extra hustle. And so, nakaisip, you know how it is in the Philippines, di ba? Kailangan ng extra hustle ng mga tao. And that's something na na-create dito. And which is why the concept of the loyalty game appealed also to Prime. Dahil dito sa kakaibang konseptong ito na hango sa tunay na buhay.
And kay Janine and Jericho, ano yung una nyong naisip nung nalaman nyo na may ganito pala?
Ako parang gusto kong maging member. Nandi. You wanna go first?
Ako sinerch ko agad sa Facebook kasi gusto ko makita kung anong itsura ng totoong groups, ng totoong mga kumbaga ad ng loyalty tester. And interesting siya. So ako naman, if there's any concept of truth sa isang serye or pelikula, for me, parang mas kinakapitan ko din siya kasi alam ko na, hango to sa mga totoong tao, totoong pangyayari. And yan, so search nyo mamaya. Kasi interesting talaga siya na concept. And of course, meron kaming mga dinagdag na, from the creatives na, pero the fact na meron talagang mga loyalty tester, yun agad yung sinerch ko, yung mga totoong loyalty tester.
Just to add, so to the interest, can you imagine paying someone to either fix or destroy your life? And that's perfect for a serye and a movie. So I said, okay, this is great. Kaso lang ako na naman yung biktima dito. Ako na naman yung nakakabit. I'm just kidding. But Bernard, I love you. Bernard's my co-hunk. We're having a hard time right now being but food's been great. I'm sorry. That's why wala ako masyadong full body frontal kasi medyo nananaba kami.
Ang sarap kasi ng pagkain
sa Bacolod tsaka sa Iloilo. So, I know. I mean, may pag-asa pa naman kami. Si Piolo is still in good shape, so you can just enjoy that for now. But loyalty testing. I've always been interested in different kinds of jobs. I've had so many odd jobs in my life, and it kind of like puts a spotlight on sex workers. In other countries, there are sex workers who have rights and stuff. And here in the Philippines, it's a different light kasi syempre, di ba? Minsan, meron tayong kasabihan, kapit sa patalim. And the show is kind of like, it sheds light on that situation. You don't, you don't criminalize the characters here, judge the characters here for being loyalty testers because they do have an angle. So that's what the show did. Labas nila yung totoong stories, totoong struggles ng mga loyalty testers. So yeah, quite brilliant. So good job sa Star Creatives. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brilliant indeed. Dahil yung konseptong ito, hango siya sa tunay na buhay. And Jarek was right, you know, yung mga struggles ng ordinaryong Pilipino na po-portray dito. So once again, a reminder to our friends, please state your name, your publication, and to whom you will address your question to.
Hi, good evening. I'm Kate Dahar of randomrepublica.com. Hi. For Ms. Carmina, first, what made you say yes to this project? Knowing na active naman po rin